2020 Chevy Malibu. You guys seen on the channel. We're doing a little bit more upgrades on it for him. He's bringing it in. We're gonna take the resonator off. So and we added new tips and duals out the back, as you guys can see. Look at it, it looks really clean. So I'm gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like before. That's with the resonators on. We added these tips on each side. You got a different diffuser. Here's sound decibels. Right at 78 again. So it's too quiet, guys, as you guys can see. We're gonna change that up, give it a little bit more sound. Stay tuned.
All right, guys, 2020 Chevy Malibou. We took off the stock resonator, replaced it with a Netami twist. It's also got another twist on it and vibrance in the rear. We did like black tips, I think last week. Maybe it was this week. I can't remember. Anyways, factory converter up there. Did a high flow secondary right there. That's where the stock resonator was. We took it out, put the Netami twist in its place right there. Part number NT1018. There, that Netami twist there, and then we had another one that we installed over here a couple months back. Then the vibrance out the back we did a while back too, and then there's the new tips that we just put on. Like I said, last week maybe. Back right there and right there. Full aftermarket system. So let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. This is sound decibels. Go ahead. 78.5. That one hit 80 right there. I think it sounds good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. (2020) Chevy Malibu. Netami twist in the middle. Two Netami twists basically in the middle, and then two vibrants out the back. And then a high flow cat in the secondary, and he said he also has a high flow cat on the primary as well, which I did not know that.